Good evening, children. We are studying concept angles. We know the kinds of angles are acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, reflex angle, straight angle, and complete angle. What is an acute angle? The angle which is less than 90 degree is said to be an acute angle. All angles less than 90 degree are acute angles. And what is a right angle? Now this angle is less than 90. It forms an acute angle. And what are other examples of right acute angle? So all these are less than 90 degree. This is an acute angle. This is an acute angle. Okay. Like this you can give examples in our daily life. In a triangle, if one angle is 90 degree, the other two angles are acute angles. See, this is right angle. If one angle is 90 degree, that is right angle, the remaining two are acute angles. Obtuse angle is the angle more than 90 and less than 180 degree. We say obtuse angle when it is more than 90. It may be 91 up to 177. Is said to be an obtuse angle. For example, see, now it is 12:25. Time is 12:25. This is more than 90 degree and less than straight angle 180. Less than 180, more than 90 degree is an obtuse angle. It forms one obtuse angle. It may be 170 degree. And straight angle is 180 degree. Here is a question for you. Draw the following and check the angle with your RA tester. Going from 12 to 2. 12 to 2. You have to refer this. See this diagram of clock. 12 o'clock to 2 o'clock. So it forms less than 90 degree and definitely it is an acute angle. So like this you also observe all these and try to write the angles formed it. Whether they are acute or 90 or more than 90 degree obtuse angle. 1 hour hand of a clock moves from 12 to 5. Is the duration of the hour hand more than one right angle? Yes, 12 to 5. See, from 12 o'clock to 5 o'clock. Does it form the revolution of our hand more than one right angle? Yes, it makes more than one right angle. So it is right angle means 90, then 100, 110. It may form more than 90 degree. So like this you also observe some other angles and give the examples. Some more examples for acute angle. The roof of the house top forms acute angle here. Seesaw. It is straight, so it forms 180 degree. And opening of the book. When you keep open the book, it forms an acute angle. So a textbook, when you keep open, it forms an acute angle. Or if you make it straight, it forms a right angle. You can see clearly the angle less than 90 degree is acute and 90 degree is straight angle. When you make it straight, it is straight angle. Now examples for obtuse angle, that is more than 90 degree. It is more than 90 degree. Roof of the house. And this is more than 90 degree. Book reading desk. It is a shelf. Here the angle formed by 35. It forms reflex angle. Means more than 180 is reflex angle. Now come to 5.3. Exercise 5.3. Here is the match the following. One side kinds of angles are given, another side the examples are given. Okay, try to match. Match the following. Straight angle. What do you mean by a straight angle? It is half of a revolution is first one. Right angle. Right angle is a 90 degree. 1/4 of a revolution is right angle. Acute angle. Acute angle is less than 1/4 of a revolution. Obtuse angle is more than half of a revolution. And reflex angle is between 1/4 and half of a revolution. So like this you have to match the angles. Move to question number 2. Classify each one of the following angles as right, straight, acute, obtuse or reflex angles. First one, it is an acute angle. It is an acute angle. This is more than 90, so it is obtuse. It is perpendicular, so it is right angle. It is more than 190, so it's a reflex angle. It's a reflex angle. Now it is straight, so it is a straight angle. This is straight angle. Here two angles are smaller than the 90 degree. Smaller than 90 is, this is an acute and this is also an acute angle. This is an acute angle and this is also an acute angle. So write this all in your geometry book.